Everyone, as you can see, we're here by Windrush Square in Brixton, and we've just handed the soup around to the individuals here, as you can see. Would you like some more soup?
Yes, darling.
Yeah, come on.
God, yeah, make me get up.
Yeah, come.
Boss, do you want a soup? We're giving out free soup. Come.
Don't say no, buddy.
Yo, Ringo. Our good vibes. Release stress. Feed the homeless. Ringo vision on a mission. Yeah. Release stress. Him feed the homeless. Ringo vision on a mission. Could have a 9 to 5, him never fi do it. Love all people, him just love the street. Him just love the street. Ringo could have a 9 to 5, him never fi do it. Love all people, him just love the street. Him just love the street. Power, release stress. Ringo feed the homeless. Ringo vision on a mission. Yeah.
Welcome to 24-Hour Kitchen, people. Yeah, I'm Ringo Vision. You're locked in today, and it's another great day to go out and find some homeless people in the heart of Brixton and give them some food. We're cooking right here on the shopping trolley. You can hear some music in the background. Our good vibes coming. Alright, so on the menu that I've got today, yeah, we're gonna do an ital soup. You understand? Cooking for the homeless and the local community. Look, the aim of the game, yeah, it's just to give back to the local community, rekindle the love, bring back the love amongst each other, and this is about humanity. Our aim and our mission is to reach out to 1 million people and feed 1 million people. So far, we've almost hit 6K. I'll be putting up some, you understand? Some numbers and let you know where we are at the moment. Have a look. So in the pot so far, yeah, what's in the pot? Coming close. In the pot so far, we've got corn, we've got pumpkin, we've got scallion, thyme, we've got garlic, you understand, carrot. I'll close up the pot, people, yeah. Our good vibes, we're live, we're here, we're in Brixton Market, that is it, and we're cooking right now. Our good vibes, good vibes. Right now we're moving with the kitchen right now through Brixton, everyone. So our good vibe, we're gonna go and post up outside Brixton station. Push it to the right, don't it? Push it to the right, push it to the right. Yeah. Our good vibes. So the marathon continues, everyone. So yeah, man, we're pushing through Brixton right now with the kitchen right now. You understand? 1 million people we have to feed, you know. We're outside, right? Hey, yo! The music's a glitch. The music's a glitch. Coming a bit close. Yeah. Have a look in the pot. Show you where I go and look. Because I haven't stirred the pot since it's been on. So you see the pumpkin is nice and soft. So what we're gonna start to do right now, yeah, is cut up the ingredients and put the ingredients them into the pot slowly. Our good vibes. The pot right now is some corn and a cob. A good vibe. So Fend, you know the corn, mainly what I put the corn in the pot for,
Yeah.
It's not something that's gonna fill you up, but it's more something that's gonna give you it's something that's gonna give you like a bit of flavour to the pot.
Yes.
You understand?
Yeah.
So yeah, man, the corn is there to add some
Flavour.
flavour to the pot. Everybody, yeah. A good vibe.
And I've noticed as well, a lot of people when they come for their soup, they always ask for a bit of corn. You know what I mean?
They ask for a bit of corn, isn't it, Ben?
Yeah. It's like a savoury for them.
So look, let's start cutting up some corn. Put some corn into the pot.
Right.
What it is, Dante, yeah,
Ital soup.
you have to come in very close so that you can hear my voice, innit?
Yeah, I know, that's what I'm doing right now.
Yeah.
You need me to give you to pay for you something to have.
Yeah, you can still. Anything. You can buy some water,
Water.
anything. You can, because for the homeless.
Yeah.
I'm gonna bring for you the water.
Yeah? Or even tissue. You know the tissue from Iceland? Just napkin. That's fine.
Here, yeah?
Yeah, right.
I'll give you like 10 minutes.
Thank you.
If you need more things, I'm gonna get you more things.
Thank you, my brother. Appreciate you, yeah? One love.
Thank you, yeah. Pumpkins in the pot, you know, look.
Come on.
So the pumpkin's here, look. Let me show you this big piece of pumpkin, yeah?
You're gonna mash it out, yeah?
Yeah, look, just like that. See that? Just break it down, put it back in the pot, and this is gonna create our color today.
Yes.
So everything's in the mix, everybody, yeah, happening instantly, yeah. All right, you see that the pumpkin's just falling apart because it's been boiling for some time in the water fen.
Yes.
With all the scallion, the garlic. I got some banana in the skin there as well, green banana in the skin. Be a big pumpkin in there to just break apart.
Break it up.
Yeah, a good vibes.
Good vibes. Weather's nice and raw.
So what I'm gonna start, this is the yam, the white yam. So I'm gonna peel the white yam to put in the pot, everybody, yeah? A good vibes,
Good vibes.
good vibes. And this white yam's nice, you know.
Top one. Is that the Ghana one?
Yeah,
The Ghana one?
yeah, the Ghana one.
Yeah, man. Pick up the Ghanaian. Ghanaian, yeah.
Anyone ever had yam before?
And if you have, how would you do it? How do you make it?
Yeah.
Tell us how you make it, how you cook it for the homeless.
My turn, you know, call up, see that? My turn.
Coming up. You
You
have
say
to wait.
it's coming.
Yeah, you have to wait. Don't worry, it's coming up. You got it ready.
So I'm just gonna split it down the middle, yeah? And split it across the other side as well. So we get like
How many
four,
pieces?
four quarters.
Okay. And then we just chop up the carter then.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. It's
Eat.
small pieces.
Small pieces, so every man get a piece of yam, you understand? You see it, Fend?
Yes. Everyone gets a piece of yam.
Yeah. And then I can just, you see when they're big, like down towards the other end?
Yeah.
You can bust that in two again.
Yes.
Because they have to, these little chunks have to be able to fit in the cup.
That's right.
Because it's a cup thing, you understand? A good vibes people, yeah. So the mission to feed 1 million people, yeah. And it's good that we're on the marathon. Fend, big up yourself, you're on the marathon. Dante, big up yourself. Next
Come
though,
on, guess what, Ringo? We got 1K subscribers on YouTube today. Tell us what this is called.
now you've seen me use this quite a few
Yes, they
times.
should know.
You must know what this one is.
They should know.
What's this one, everyone?
I don't know what this is.
All right, so this one's called a cho-cho.
Yeah, man said. Being silly, huh? Choo-choo. Oh,
Choo-choo.
cho-cho. Yeah, that's how they spell it. C-H-U-C-H-U. A cho-cho.
Hey.
A cho-cho would cook up. And I'm throwing another pot quickly, you see me? It's nice and warm today, man.
Feel the heat, Fend?
Yeah, it's lovely. Banging out here.
Bang. I have to take off this hoodie in a minute.
So Dante said he's getting hot. Drop me a mate.
After the
Turnip.
yeah, this is the turnip. Some boy fierce big like turnip. Yeah.
Some boy head favour turning.
Some girl face favor turning.
Yam as well. Some girl head favour yam.
Yamed.
Yam head girl them. Don't be a yam head, alright?
Don't be a yamed.
MJS pick up. Fend and Ringo. Come on.
A good vibe. This one ain't gonna bring some flavors.
Love turning from my beef stew. Big up Rebecca.
Rebecca, how do you like your beef stew done, love?
Soft. Tough. Alright, let's just kind of in the pot now. Slow cooked, loads of veg and super meaty. Do you know about pepper steak, Rebecca? Pepper steak.
We're putting in some plum tomatoes. It's not your ordinary tomato soup, Fend.
It's not your ordinary one, yeah?
No. This is it.
You see, you're dashing them in there, yeah?
Yep.
So dashing the plum tomato, we have some plum tomato. We have tray inside.
And it's not just plum tomato we are dashing nothing. There are some more things we are dashing not. Understand?
Yeah, man.
Alright.
Good vibe.
So, you know what else I'm gonna dash in, Fend? Red onion.
There's more.
Yeah. Good vibe.
Good one!
So some red onion is going in the pot, and
Some girl head favour red onion.
and this will just enhance the flavor.
Hey, what's family? Right, we look at it. Film a video. Come on, working. Watching.
South London video, finishing that off.
Okay, I think you might have to actually.
Yeah, that's gonna drop soon.
Yeah.
And then another video for outside. From Carnival.
Yeah, man, we're outside right now. Come on, outside, just cooking a vegetable soup. Vegetable, yeah.
How long does this take, roughly?
About a nice little 2 hours. Yeah. Slow cook and put some love into it. Yeah.
Fast, don't think this and that.
Nah, come on, no fast food.
So you say putting some garlic inside there, yeah?
Yeah, basically what I'm doing right now is just adding the little last little flavors, touching it up a little bit now with some garlic.
Proper.
Yes, everybody, so a good vibe right now. So as you can see, you've been watching me put ingredient after ingredient into the pot, just building up the flavors, building up the combination of colors as well. You understand? Yes, everyone. So look, so we're almost at that point where we're almost completed now today. You understand? Almost complete the cooking side of things. Have a look. So what we're doing right now, yeah. Just cutting up some okra, putting some okra into the pot, people, yeah. A good vibe. Look at all them colours. You understand? We just put some beans in as well, some green beans. You understand? We've got pumpkin in there, we've got corn, we've got garlic, everything inside the pot. And this pot here is to feed the community in Brixton. Try and reach out to the local homeless people them in Brixton. You understand, people? A good vibe. Yes, look at how busy Brixton is. It's on a Friday here today, and we're in the heart of Brixton. Electric Avenue is right there. We're cooking for the people them. You understand? Look, the gas stove is just over here. You understand? With a pot of soup on the fire, people, yeah. Good vibes. Let me just lift this up and show you guys what's going on right now. Wow, look at that. Wow, look at the bubbles. Amazing. So in the next 20 minutes here, we're going to be at completion. That is it.
See, we're at the stage of completion. Where's the screen?
Oh, it's back in there.
I knew it, fam. Plug it up.
Look, we're there in Brixton right now, cooking some food for the homeless. Yeah, man, ital soup. You get me? Ital vibes. You understand? A good vibe.
Come on.
Huh? Yeah. Ital soup. Ital vegetable soup.
Yeah, you get. Oh.
How long are you ready?
It's ready.
Ready now?
Yeah.
Check that.
Yeah, man, so this one here for the local community and the homeless people in the Brixton, you understand? It's out of the mission to bring back the local community, you see it?
We're on a marathon. That's what we're on. The marathon continues.
That's it. Everyone's gonna come.
Vegetable soup.
Everyone's gonna come.
Ital.
Everyone's gonna feed the whole high road. Yeah, because imagine that family. You got a little spoon there. You're gonna drink it like that.
Give me a fork, give me a fork.
Got a little food or something. But you see us over there?
Yes, people. On the mission, we just found some vegetable samples. One soup, ice sample, get 3.
Dumplings in there?
Yeah?
Oh, hey, look at that.
Enough dumpling in there.
Look at
Make it skin on the trees.
one soup.
Yeah, please, bro. Soup.
This is for the homeless. Huh?
Well, bustle.
You're hungry?
It's alright, man. Yeah, man. Hungry, man.
Alright.
That's my one soup.
Don't they get back in this catching for everything?
Nice, yeah. Come on, good vibe.
You're welcome, yeah?
That's the milkshake one.
Come on, before.
That's a sample what you love.
Yeah, we want samples. What can you give them up? Really nice.
Milkshake. What's up, yeah?
Respect you.
Magic. You can show man done magic, give it. Chili cup. Yo. Here's a part of your soup, man. Here, Peter. Fire.
Need a little top up, you know.
Yeah. So, what, you'll be around again?
Yeah. We'll probably come round in a week still. We'll be around. Maybe Monday or Tuesday.
Monday or Tuesday?
Yeah, when the general are saying.
Around what?
Yeah, man, you got a big
What
dog.
time?
We'll be at the same time.
This should be so nice.
Yeah. You don't want some food? You're hungry?
You like some soup though?
You want one? You don't want no soup, Bingy? I'll get some soup, Bingy.
I just want to see your show, man. I just come to pick you up and listen. I love what you're doing.
Thank you.
And this man, I see the video that you done in Brixton the other day. And in the market, he was cooking up the food.
Yeah.
So I just come to just say big up, man. You know, I love what you're doing, man.
One love,
The
my brother.
vibes is good, man.
Thank you, yeah.
Love.
Blessings, man.
Mary and Christ will bless you. You work for the church? Who do you work for?
And now we're for humanity, man.
Okay, see.
You man,
Bless
that's
you.
it.
Give thanks.
You got Bingy, man.
Yeah. Bless it. What's blessed? I'm from down there, some here. How them a bad up his soup, you know, all the way from the church. Give me one eye show up there.
Yes, one tip, you know, one tip. You sip as well, though? Don't they come on, different angles as well, just gravitate and, yeah, spin around and...
I think that the dog upon.
Yeah, man. YouTube, TikTok, everything.
Alright. I'm on here for
Your
that
face
compliment
ain't on
this
there.
soup. Don't worry about it, let's face talk to you. Russ, are you a chef?
Yeah, the Russ is the chef. I'm the sous
Don't
chef.
film me, don't
No.
You want the
Oh,
spoon?
you
He's the chef.
Kanye big. You like corn? Huh?
Yes, I'll take that one.
You can manage a big corn like that?
Sure can.
She wants to be fun.
There you go, love.
Thank you, respect.
You're welcome. Let me do these.
No, the beer.
I want to show you.
When you get your bottle.
Yeah, that man.
Apologies. Second off. Finalizing. You're hungry?
You're not in, trust me, you're not in.
Oh yeah, that's what I need to do. Go to the train station, walk at 2. Top up the rest of the card. It's fun now.
Thank you very much, love. Spoon? Yes.
One share the life.
Thank you.
That man there behind you. What man? What big man? There's no dump in there. It's ital.
Oh, is it ital?
Yeah.
That's what I'm talking about. I want the right ingredients. More soup now. No, give me no more food. Alright, bless. Manners. Respect.
Ringo. Yeah. The fastest gentleman that doesn't want to eat in the camera.
Ringo, top marks. Yeah, respect. 10-10.
Yeah.
No, there's still one set, but there's spoon there. You're going to get a spoon in a second, yeah?
Yeah, I already got him in there. Yeah.
Anybody want
Big
spoon?
man, did you get your soup? Did you get soup?
Excuse me, love, did you get a soup?
That's the best one, come on.
Love, did you get a soup?
Say that again, bro.
Show someone eating the food, man.
Yeah, it's nice, yeah.
Yeah. A couple more people over there.
Please may I have a spoon?
Can you need a soup as well?
Yes, please.
There you go, love.
Please may I have an extra spoon?
Extra spoon?
That was a fork. And please may I have a spoon for earlier? Thank you very much. There you go, right there.
Ringo said you want a soup.
Thank you very much. Please may I have a bottle of water?
Yeah, there's water, there's water.
Are you available on Mondays?
Just try to come out as and when I can.
You'll get a blessing for that. Keep it up. Love you, boys. You're welcome.
You visit men's homes or women's homes or hospitals everywhere, or prisons everywhere. Okay, you don't go to any places. Yeah, you see movies. And they ask you to. And you'll get extra money. You get a money sent to your man. Obviously, you know what I mean? When you're doing good like that, you get, you know.
Yes.
My mum does things like that. She gives out food to people who work for Centre Point and that. And my dad is on them work for, you know, them hostel places.
Everyone, as you can see, we're here by Windrush Square in Brixton, and we've just handed the soup around to the individuals here, as you can see. Would you like some more soup?
Yes, darling.
Yeah, come on.
God, yeah, make me get up.
Yeah, come.
My man wants to see. Yeah, you know these old school guys, man, they're a bit serious still. Nah, we're serious. Boss, you want a soup? Give me that free soup. Come. Don't say no, buddy.
Come, Santa Claus.
Ah, going, babe.
Thank you.
You're welcome. You too. A separate one. Ringo. Yeah, what's my name? Thank you, brother. Respect that, boys. Yeah, man. Yeah.
No worries, my brother, man. Yeah?
You're a vegetarian.
Yeah, just be a vegetarian, but you know what the thing's already. Ital is vital.
Looks good.
You're very kind, sir.
You're welcome.
Thank you, boss man. Yeah, have a good day, yeah? Respect, yeah? Cool. Step on the road, that chill.
Yes, bro, you're right.
Yes, bro.
Yeah.
Right there.
Oh, is it? I didn't hear you, babe. That's me, brother.
Yeah, that's one, yeah.
Thank you, guys.
I love you, yeah. God bless you as well, yeah.
Brother, thank you.
Oh, sorry, big. My apologies.
Dante, come and have a look in the pot.
See? Pot nearly dead. Pot nearly gone. Them dead?
Them dead. I'm about to say
Yeah,
that as
you know
well.
that, innit? That's the lingo.
Them dead. How's the food, boss?
We'll be local again soon, maybe sometime in the week, innit? We'll come back here anyway, yeah?
I'll be here.
Alright, bro. Bless you.
I'll tell you about. You don't need it, we always take. You don't need it. Where's your regulars?
Yes, Fend, so a day completed right now.
Yes.
Yeah, man.
Come on, man. It's been a great day, bro.
Dante, lift up the pot, lift up the pot.
Part of the mission's completed. Part of the marathon's completed.
That is it, that is it, completed. Yeah, man, the people in the right, Yasser Sedway, we're here. Windrush Square, we got some people down there, Sedway, you understand? Good vibes, respect people, yeah? Yeah, man, the mission is to feed 1 million people. Yeah, man, today's been a good day, everyone, yeah? And thank you to each and every one of you that stayed tuned with this episode, because the marathon continues and the mission is to feed 1 million people. It's been challenging so far. We've had tough days. Days where we need extra hand, extra support. You understand? Days where we need to go from different locations to different locations. So if you're watching this video and you've seen the movement and you've seen Wagwan, if you are in a position to play an active role in this movement, whether it is to lend a hand, lend a day, whether it is to you own a van company, you own some form of organization that you've got vans and you want to give back to the local community, you want to help the local community, link us up, link me up. In my emails is on the channel. You guys can reach me and let's connect and let's get this mission, people, yeah? Feed the 1 million people. That is it. A good vibes.
A good vibes, come on. Big up the Brixtonians. We completed some of the marathon today, and now the marathon continues.
That is it. Dante, big up yourself.
Big up, big up.
A good vibes outside.